How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 68 Roadrunner clone done in lemon twist yellow with a matte black scooped hood. Super cool car. Now it is a fiberglass hood with a steel structure. It's all hinged and latched. It's original grills, headlight bezels, all in excellent condition. Front bumpers all been re-chromed. This car was restored several years ago. Gentleman kind of built it the way he wanted the car. He had passed away a couple years ago and his wife finally decided to sell it. Very nice. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. The paint on the car is very, very nice. I mean, this is a car you go to all your local cruise nights and little shows, be proud of. So all the tail light housings and the deck lid appliques original, and it looks excellent. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. You see how straight, flat the car is down the sides. It's got a set of vintage Craigers on it. It's got disc brakes up front. It's got a nice, strong running 440 in it. 727 trans. It's all painted nice under the hood. It's got the heavy duty radiator. It's got power steering. It's got an 8 3/4 sure grip rear with I believe it's like a 350 gear in the car. It's either a 330 or a 350. I'll check that. See, all the jams look real nice in the car. It's an original dash, all in good shape. Headliner looks good. Got the center console in it. Nice set of bucket seats. Again, the gentleman built the car the way he wanted it, the way he liked it. Just a cool, cool car. Got a matching spare. It's got the car cover. Got photos of the restoration on the car. And the paintwork on the car is just gorgeous. Real slick. Did an AM FM CD stereo there in the dash. Looks good. We'll fire the thing up. It's got just a tough sounding 440 in it. Backup lights, everything work on it. Just a really cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan.